What up, you guys? It's Girl Chili Jam, and I'm coming to show you guys how I personalize my art tube. So this is what I did, and of course, got my logo is butterflies. I love this color, this mint color. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did this. Now this is my other art tube. This is the Zaya tube or Zion tube for my younger son. So when you put in the can, I'm doing a packaging later to show you guys how I use this one because someone ordered one, so I was getting it ready to ship out. But this one, it has straps also, and it comes off right here. So of course I'll take these off and put them in a little baggie and put it inside of here. But this one, all you do is screw it off. Of course, as you can see, it's adjustable. So this is the size that you can get it. That's as big as the canvas would be. Okay, so it's two sides. You want to put your canvas in this side. So that when you put this back in here, it won't be nothing blocking it because this side is smaller than this side. So this is the side you would put your canvas inside of, and then you would just screw it back in. And when you screw it back in all the way, you'll put this back on, and that's what locks it in place. So that's it. But right now I'm going to show you guys how I do my logos on my canvases. So I'm going to change the angle so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so you guys, the first thing you're going to need is a silhouette cameo or a Cricut, whichever one you have. Then you're going to need vinyl. I have already weeded this vinyl. I probably should have showed you guys that, but I wasn't going to show you this, but I said I can make a video. So yeah, so what I did was I made the print, how I want it laid out on to the tube, and what I did was put Caressa's Charms with a butterfly. Now you're gonna need some kind of transfer tape. I get this transfer tape. I have been using this for I don't know how long, but I used to buy the expensive transfer tape, but I started going to Dollar Tree. This is the transfer tape that they have. It's pretty strong. I use it now on all my crafts. I buy them in bulk because it was a lot more. It was like pretty thick at the Dollar Tree, you guys. You can't beat that. So what I did was cut off a strip because I can use it for all three of these names. That's just how strong it is. And I can't find my little thing that you put on here to scrape it. Now I have a Silhouette Cameo 3, but I also have a Cricut. But my Silhouette Cameo 3, the little clear sheets that they come with, it's sticky for you to slide it through, I cut that sucker up. It'd be cut up so bad, but the Cricut mats are way thicker, so I like using this for my Silhouette Cameo 3 too. That's a tip for y'all. So I'm just gonna make sure I scrape this really good, and then I'm gonna get my tube, which is right here. This is the Zaya tube, guys. This is on my website if you guys want to get it. So what I do is it's a line here, and then it's also a line here. What I want to do is have it in the middle of that line. So what I do is I always hold these two sides, which is where the lines are, and I make sure I put it here. So what I'm gonna do first is, oh, and of course you want to wipe off your surface with a alcohol wipe. So you'll need alcohol wipe, the vinyl, the Silhouette or Cricut, whatever you use on your cutting machine as, and transfer tape. So like I said, this transfer tape is pretty good. It pulls up. And you guys saw me, I put it on there with, I scrubbed it with my fingers, so you know it's a pretty good tape. And I'm gonna have to turn it this way because I like to put it towards the end up. So as you can see, I'm filling, and there's my 2 lines, so I want to put it like here. So I'm just wiping a little bit. And then I'll take this. I like this kind of transfer tape because you can actually see it. Now they also come with transfer tape that looks like this, like on the outside instead of the inside. But I don't like using that because I can't really see. I mean, you can see impressions, but you can't see it like you can see it right here. So I'm gonna take it, make sure I line it up, and be careful because this is permanent adhesive. So I want to make sure I'm in the middle still. So I'm gonna put it here. And you want to make sure you got it pretty straight. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay the butterfly down first, and then because it's together, everything else will fall in place. So then you want to scrub it on here with your finger, and then pull it up. When you pull it up, make sure you're sliding like this. Can you guys see me? Slide like this. It should stick because this is permanent, but I just like sliding it up like this when I do my cups, mugs, and there you go. That's how you make your personalized art tube. And of course, if you guys request that you want your name on it instead, I have 3 orders, so I'm gonna go ahead and do these. I don't put them on there in advance, so if you guys order one and you want it personalized like with your name, just let me know. That's free of charge. I wouldn't charge you for that one. Guys, I thank you so much for all the orders that I'm getting. It's really a blessing because YouTube doesn't pay as us lower YouTubers. And I use this 3 times, so it's kind of getting tired of it. And plus I don't have my little squeegee, which will help so much. Okay, I'm gonna turn it over because I forgot to take this one. I ordered these in bulk. So they all come wrapped. They all come wrapped like this. And as I'm packaging them up, I don't care how I open them. Because if you guys seen my packing video of me shipping out of order. So this is one. And I'm going to turn it this way. And lay it on there. And then, like I showed you guys how to pull it off. Nice and easy. I love that sound. I don't know why. I've used this 3 times, so I'm going to throw it away. And there you go. So yeah, you guys, if you want to get your hands on one of these beautiful art tubes, by all means do so. This is a smaller one, but the one I showed you in the other one is a big one. So I named him after my sons. DJ is my oldest, so I gave him the bigger one, and Zion is my youngest, so he got the smaller one. But I like them both. This can hold up to, I think, 4 orders, but the other one can hold up to at least 8. So I love this, and whenever you order your canvas and you buy one of these, I'll ship them in this. But of course, you guys see I bubble wrap it, I do all of that stuff to it, and then package it nicely for you guys. So yeah, thank you guys for watching these videos. Thumbs them up. And everybody that's watching, you know you be watching, just hit that subscribe bell. That's all you gotta do. Hit the subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Cause you know your girl need it. Just hit that subscribe button and that bell, and it'll notify you anytime I upload videos. Okay? But nah. Yeah, you guys. I think it came out so cute. I love this mint color. It's so beautiful. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. As always, hope you guys have a nice day. Let me know what you think about these art tubes. And if you haven't checked out my website, go check it out. I'll put the website right here at the bottom. You guys, go check out my website. Okay, I have a lot of nice canvases and extra stuff on there. So yeah, bye.